Morning, children. How are you today? Hope you are keeping safe. Welcome to class. Our today's topic on grammar is adjectives and adverbs. Adjectives and adverbs. And our subtopic is definition of adjectives and adverbs, identifying an adjective and an adverb in a sentence, comparison of adjectives and adverbs. An adjective is a word or set of words that modifies, that is, describes a noun, pronoun, or another adjective. Adjectives may come before the word they modify. Examples: she is a beautiful girl. Tracy wore a red gown to the party. Adjectives may also follow the word they modify. Examples: that girl looks beautiful. The novel is interesting. Ososa, Jaden, and Newton. If you could remember vividly when I taught you via the video, I told you that the first two letters in the word adjective, A-D, that first two letters simply means addition. So an adjective adds information, adds description to a noun, to a pronoun, or to another adjective. The first example we have, she is a beautiful girl. The noun there is a girl, and the adjective there is beautiful, adding information to the noun girl. The second sentence, red gown. Second sentence, the gown there is the noun that the adjective red is adding information to. Now, that girl looks beautiful. Here, the adjective is coming at the end. Girl there, who looks beautiful? The girl. So, girl is the noun, while the adjective describing the girl is beautiful. Novel is interesting. The novel, a noun. Interesting is the adjective. When I say that puppy looks cute. Cute is the adjective describing the puppy. An adverb is a word or set of words that modifies verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. Adverbs answer how, when, where, why, or to what extent, how often, or how much. Example: daily, completely. He speaks slowly, tells how, is adverb of manner. She arrived today, tells when, time. Some adverbs end in ly, but many do not. That is li. If a word can have li added to its adjective form, place it there to form an adverb, like beautiful, beautifully, frequent, frequently. She dressed beautifully. She wore a beautiful dress. Beautiful dress, adjective beautiful, adding information to the dress. Dressed beautifully, dressed, verb, beautifully, adjective, adding information to the beautifully, adverb, adding information to the verb dressed. I repeat, she wore a beautiful dress. Beautiful, adjective, dress, noun. Beautiful, adding information, which is an adjective, adding information to the dress noun. She dressed beautifully. Dressed, a verb. Dressed, a verb. Beautifully, adverb, adding information to the verb dressed. Take a look at this example. She thinks quickly. Which is the correct one? Is it the quick or quickly? How does she think? Quickly. Telling you how, showing you manner. So the answer is she thinks quickly. Now, she's a quick thinker. She is a quick thinker. You can also say she's a quickly thinker, because quick here is an adjective describing the thinker. So no, there is no need, so no ly is attached. She thinks fastly. She thinks fast. Here is she thinks fast. Fast here is what? She thinks fast. Thinks here is a verb. Fast here is what? An adjective adding information to the word, to the verb thinks. So the answer is she thinks fast. We performed bad or badly. Badly describes how we perform. So that performed here now, this performed is in this sentence, performed here is a verb. So the adverb here is badly, adding information to how we, telling you how, manner at which we performed. Please compare the two last words I gave you on the two last sentences. The first one, she thinks fastly. She thinks fast here. Thinks here is a verb, but our right answer here is fast. The fast here is an adjective adding information to the verb thinks. But here we performed badly. If you look at it, you see that this perform too is a verb, but what added information to perform here is what? This badly is an adverb adding information to this verb. I told you, an adjective add information to all parts of speech, to almost all parts of speech except prepositions, and conjunction. An adjective add information to a noun. It adds to a pronoun. It adds to another adjective. It adds to an adverb. Adds to a verb. Its work is to modify, to describe. Adverbs are often misplaced in such sentences which requires adjectives instead. That is the case. For instance, the woman looked angrily to us. The woman looked angrily at the plumber. In these two sentences, the woman looked angrily to us. What would you use? Will you say angry or angrily? Take a look at the preposition, children. The woman looked angrily at the plumber. Take a look at the preposition there too, at. The first sentence has to. The second one has at. Now, for you to choose which is correct, is it the adjective angry or the adverb angrily? Ask yourself, Jaden. Ask yourself, did the woman looked with her eyes, or we are describing her appearance in the first sentence? The woman looked angrily to us. Did she look with her eyes? J. No, good. She did not. Rather, we are describing the way she appears. So, the right answer to this question is the woman looked angry to us. To us, from our perspective, from what we saw, she looked angry. But the second sentence, the woman looked angrily at the plumber. is angrily, describing how she looked. So the answer is the woman looked angrily at the plumber, describing how she looked. I hope you understood this lesson. By tomorrow, being Friday, we shall be discussing the